Echoes of love won't explain. Tears drip slow down the window pane. Whispers in the dark still call your name. I don't need the world to see my pain. Echoes of love won't explain. Tears drip slow down the window pane. Whispers in the dark still call your name. Yeah, I fade when the lights turn on. Say I'm fine, but the vibe feels wrong. Same four walls, same sad song. Heart don't heal, it just hums along. Blind tag close to the hums like static. My thoughts run wild, automatic. Memory burns like a matchstick habit. Can't let go even though it's tragic. Pillow face, streaks dry on glass. Rewinding time like it's stuck on past. Every forever we said too fast. I let you in once, can't take it back. I don't need a world to see my pain. Echoes of a love that won't explain. Tears drip slow down the window pane. Whispers in the dark still call your name. Late nights talking to the ghost in my room. Love bloom quick, then it withered too soon. All I got left is a ache in the tomb of a broken sky and a paper moon. Cold hands on love, same mistakes. Tracing your name till the letters fade. If love's a crime, I caught the case. Now I'm doing time in my own headspace. Backseat thoughts in a car with no brakes. Every dream ends with a heartache waves. Rain on the glass like a beating maze. I hear a voice and the sound it shapes. I don't wanna speak it loud. I don't wanna let you out. Shadows stretch across the room. Your silence sings. I don't need a word to see my pain. Echoes of a love that won't explain. Tears drip slow down the window pane. Whispers in the dark still call your name.